This video. So the UPSC has published a notification for NDA National Defense Academy and NA. NA means Naval Academy for the year 2022. Right. So we have written NDA. Some of the students have written NDA. That is one. In 1 year they will call two exams, NDA 1 and NDA 2. In the same way, this is the second exam. So UPSC means Union Public Service Commission, right? The IAS exams which are conducted, those are conducted by UPSC. So this UPSC is conducting NDA and NA to online form, right? So online exam it is conducting. For that, the online application is available, right? So everything I am going to give the details. So in this exam, total vacancies around 400 students. It includes both boys as well as girls, right? That you have to remember, right? So so UPS has published notification for the recruitment of National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2 2022, right? So Indian Naval Academic Courses, INAC. Those candidates who are interested to the following vacancy and complete all criteria certainly can read the notification and apply online, right? About notification and application form, website, everything I'm going to give you in the video description, right? And some of the students doesn't know about NDA. What is this NDA, how the exams happens, everything detailed video I have made. You can watch that video, and also you can go through the notification, you will get to know, right? So qualification, what is the qualification required to apply for NDA or NA? The application or the qualification required is candidate should possess 12th class, right? The candidate who has completed his 12th class can apply, both girls and boys, that you have to remember. Application fees for general candidate it is just ₹100. For SC, ST, female, anything, it doesn't have any fees, only that is nil. Payment mode is only through online, that is through banking, debit card, credit card, or internet banking, right? That you can do. Important dates, that is very important. Application started on 18th 5, that is May, the application has started, and in June 14th it is going to end. Date of examination is 4/9. 9 means it will be September, I guess. 4/9/2022, right? So if you want to go through detailed about this notification, you have to go to the website. There you have to click this upsc.gov.in, right? So this is the official website of UPSC. What is UPSC? Union Public Service Commission. If you go down below here, at this right corner you can see examination, recruitment, advertisement, apply online, admit cards and all. See, just you have to press examination notification. If you press examination notification, the first one is name of the examination. See, Combined Defense Service Exam, CDS we call. This is for degree students, not PUC students. PUC means class 12 students. It is not for class 12. It is for degree students. If you go down below, here you can see that name of the examination is National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2. Right? In this year, it is second time it is happening. So it is 2022. Here you can see date of notification. Notification has been published on 18th. Date of commencement of exam. Exam will be on 4/9. Duration of exam will be 1 day. Within 1 day, everything will happen. Last date for receipt of applications is 7/6. 7/6 means June. June 7 by the 6 p.m. you have to apply all and you have to download the application. About documents, you have to click this PDF. It will generate and you will get to know about that, right? So this is and apply online. If you click here, you will get the notification to apply, right? So see, let me show. So if I open this, so this is the PDF where you will get just if you click here, you will get that PDF. If you click here, you can apply here, right? So if you click here, you have got PDF. In this PDF means what? It is nothing but the notification, detailed notification. It is around 98 pages. You can see 1/98. So important dates they have published here. Candidate, about candidate, how it happens, and those people who are facing a problem in applying, you have to read this, how to apply. So here you will get to know how to apply, right? So these are 3 steps are there. Last date for submission and withdrawal of application, that I have read it thoroughly, right? So penalty of for wrong. About examination, if you want to know, see, it has got negative marking. About that they have given. How you have to write exam? It will be OMR sheet. So you have to carry only black ball pen. not any other pen, not blue, not gel. It should be black ball pen, right? So that you have to remember. So other things, mobile phones are banned, everything they have given, right? So here, how many seats are there? Total 400 seats are there in this notification, second notification, NDA and NA. And about NDA, National Defense Academy, in army there are 208 seats, which includes 10 for female candidate. So 10 seats will be uh, like uh, uh, only for female candidates. It will be reserved completely. And in navy there are 42 seats. That is, in NDA navy there are 42 seats, in which 3 seats are reserved for female candidates. And in air force, flying 92 seats, ground duty 18 seats. Ground duty means technical, right? And ground duty non-technical 10 seats, which includes, in 92 flying seats, 2 seats is for female candidate, and in 18 ground duty technical seats, 2 seats will be for female, and in 10 non-technical, 2 seats will be for female. So this is in air force. And talking about Naval Academy, it is only for men, and it will be 30 seats. 30 seats for only male candidate only, right? In Naval Academy. So female candidate can go through NDA, that too in Army, Navy and Air Force, right? 10 seats here, 3 seats here 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 seats in Air Force, right? So totally 400 seats. About that, everything they have given. Center of examination, you can see these are the centers which are available for this exam, right? You can go through this notification thoroughly, you can easily apply. Conditions for eligibility, that you have to go. Age limit, sex, marital status, that you can read. Age limit is also very important criteria for this army people. Education qualification, I have told 12th you have to completed, or other the result haven't come, then also fine. Physical standards, these are very important, right? Everything you can go through this detailed notification. Every answer for your questions will be answered through this notification, right? You can go through this in detail, right? So this is about NDA examination. I hope it is helpful. So if you click here, links, click apply online, click here. If you click here, you will get this links. See, so you are applying for NDA, not CDS. CDS for degree students, combined defense service. NDA is for you, PUC students. You can click here. Part 1, here registration happens. Once registration happens, you have to, with that registration number, you will go through registration, second part 2 registration, right? So you can go. So link of this registrations, link of this PDF, and this video, and about NDA, everything I'm going to give it in the description box. You can go through it, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, please share with your friends, so that the message should be reach them also. Do share with their juniors, so that they will also come about this kind of exams and all, right? Thank you.